All right, hey everybody, we're going to take a look at how to fix a shell to make it do what you want it to do. So if I shell out this part right here, here's what it might look like. So I'm going to hollow out both that face and this face, and I'm going to have to make some adjustments here. Make it 0.25 inches. Let's see if that does it. Yep, that works better. All right, so that's what that looks like. Shelled it out. All right, now let's say that the intent is not to have the shell go up inside there like that. All right, so I'll do a little cross section here so you can see that. Do a sectional view. So I'm going to choose I'll just choose one of my planes here. Right plane, there we go. All right, so this is looking at a section view. So let's say that I didn't want this to be a different diameter than this part. So I want basically that to fill in down here. Well, if I want that to happen, then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do an extended extrude. So I'm going to take this extrude and I'm going to click on that surface right there. All right, and it's going to extend it. But just like some other situations, I don't want to extend it a blind direction. I want to get it to match exactly that bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose, instead of blind, I'm going to choose up to face, and I will click on that face, and now it's going to fill in up to there. All right, so you can kind of see the little preview here. It's going to fill in up to that spot, and then I have what I need. Hit check mark. All right, so now I've filled in that space. So I did a shell to kind of shell everything out, but now I have that space filled in, which is great.